Should you downsize now or wait? Thinking about downsizing your home? You're not alone, and it's a big decision. So the real question is, should you downsize now or wait? Let's break it down. Why people downsize? Downsizing usually means selling your current home and moving into something smaller, more affordable, or easier to manage. People often consider it when the kids have moved out. Retirement is around the corner. The home feels too big or expensive to maintain. You want to unlock equity to enjoy life more. The case for downsizing. Now, home maintenance is taking a toll. If cleaning, repairs, or yard work are stressing you out, a smaller place could bring peace of mind. You want to free up money. Selling a larger home and buying something smaller can unlock equity for travel, helping family, or just enjoying retirement more comfortably. You're ready to simplify. Less space, fewer expenses, and a lifestyle that's easier to manage. That's a real win for many people. Interest rates may rise again. Locking in a smaller mortgage or going mortgage-free while rates are still reasonable could be a smart financial move. The case for waiting. You're emotionally not ready. If you're still deeply attached to the home or not ready to let go of the memories, that's okay. Rushing into downsizing can feel overwhelming. The real estate market is unstable. If prices in your area are temporarily down or your next home type is overpriced, waiting for better timing might make sense. You're unsure what's next. Downsizing isn't just about a smaller home, it's about lifestyle. If you're not sure where or how you want to live next, it might be worth taking more time. So, what's the right answer? There's no perfect formula. But here's a quick gut check. If your current home feels like more of a burden than a blessing, if your financial picture would improve meaningfully with a move, and if you've already visualized the lifestyle you want next, then downsizing now could be the right move. But if your decision is based mostly on fear, pressure, or temporary market trends, it might be smarter to wait and plan with clarity. At the end of the day, downsizing is more than just a real estate move. It's a lifestyle choice. And when it's done on your terms, it can be one of the most empowering decisions you'll ever make. Want help mapping out the financial side of a downsizing move? Check out our upcoming video. Using home equity in retirement, what are your options? Subscribe to Mortgage Vids for clear Canadian advice on homeownership, credit, and smart mortgage decisions.